Welcome to Informer 2025.2. We have several new features and updates to talk about, so let's dive in. Let's start with the new type of library that's available to us. You'll see in this list now we have the option to connect to a Google Drive. Of course, that allows us to connect to that folder, and Informer's AI assistants will be able to answer questions about your Google Drive files. Our next big feature is under Administration, under Integrations. And again, we'll see when we configure a new integration that we have Google Drive available to us. There's also Microsoft OneDrive here as well. By connecting to these with an integration, they become available to us within a job so that I can export files from Informer to my Google Drive or my Microsoft OneDrive within a job on a regular basis. Using the integration this way means that I don't have to enable AI if I don't want to. Let's go ahead and configure a Google Drive integration. And let's see that in action. If I go to Demo Job for uploading for Google Drive or any job, I have the ability to edit, and under my actions, I now have the option to upload a file to a drive. This allows me to choose an integration, such as the Google Drive that I just connected to. It will then ask me to connect. It'll pop open a window for me to log into Google Drive. Or I can choose a library that I've already connected. In this case, I have one for Microsoft OneDrive. Let's see what else has changed. We now have some options for template inputs. Of course, template inputs are configured under the edit screen typically, but now I can also configure them over under settings. We'll see the inputs that are available, and I can change the default value. And if I don't want someone to be able to make changes to this input value, I can even lock this. Now, when I go to run the template, you'll see that first input doesn't even show up for me, but my second input still does. And when I run this, you can see that both of those predefined values do show up. Finally, we've made some changes behind the scenes and under the hood for Informer 2025.2. In particular, we've updated Node.js to version 22. We've updated Happy to version 21. And we've made a few other smaller updates to some of the other dependencies behind the scenes. The end result of this is going to be a faster experience for those using Informer, whether it's clicking around in the browser or running queries and running jobs. Thank you, and have a great day.